The book then discusses experiments. An experiment is a study in which the investigator decides who receives a special treatment. In experiments, you have independent variables and dependent variables. An independent variable is a treatment manipulated by the investigator, and a dependent variable is a variable that is believed to have been influenced by the independent variable. So when you're looking to see what is correct, you're usually testing to see if the dependent variable is affected. So there's observational studies, which is a study that focuses on detecting relationships between variables not manipulated by the investigator. So in a social experiment, a psychologist usually should just sit and kind of watch the situation occur by itself, but not interact with the investigation or experiment itself. Then it talks about confounding variables, which is an uncontrolled variable that compromises the interpretation of a study. So sometimes studies are biased depending on the variables and people involved in the experiment. So there's a nice little chart. If you go down here, okay? So an independent variable, dependent variable, an observational study. Okay. And then the book talks about how to use the book. So there's different resources you could always check online. There's an appendix in the back with all the answers to the